What I love about Miss Tony's training is how informative it was, from clearly defining the qualities of a good leader to highlighting proper grooming, posture, and the influence of verbal and nonverbal communication. Also, I'd like to thank her for inspiring us and reminding us of our value, our purpose, and the unique strengths that empower us to become the leaders we are meant to be. Kudos to you, Ma'am Tony.
Yung mga sinishare niyo sa amin, when it comes to personal branding as well as in executive leadership are primarily based on her personal experience as well as practical strategies. So yung delivery ng training is maganda, yung mga practical strategies na mga binibigay. And Miss Tony itself, yung presence niya, it emanates confidence to the people, to the participants. So yung presence niya pa lang, it already radiates what the training is about.
How real and relatable she was. She spoke with so much heart and clarity, and it made me reflect on how I show up as a leader in DBP. Super inspiring. Thank you po.
She clearly explained the importance of nonverbal cues, how to improve it, and to better understand its concept, to improve communication, and help me well as a customer service associate. So I think magagamit talaga siya, especially sa work and industry. And I hope lahat ng tinuro ni Ma'am Tony is ma-share ko din to my colleagues and to my family as well. Thank you, Ma'am Tony.
It's not only about being so interactive, but really creates an impact in me that I know will help me in the long run, especially in my work. What I am really impressed is that the lecture or the sessions are not just only according to principles, theories, or facts, but her actual experiences that made it really true and authentic. I really learned a lot. Thank you very much, Ma'am Tony, and you are the best.
It's really heartfelt. Thank you so much, Miss Tony, for sharing your life and your expertise. A resource speaker with the heart. Excellent job. God bless.
I love how engaging, empowering, and transformative it was. Every part of the session, from the discussions to the practical tips, reminded me that leadership presence is really not about perfection. It's about being intentional, authentic, and consistent. I learned that the way we dress, the way we speak, the way we carry ourselves can truly influence how we build trust and inspire others. It was truly a refreshing experience that I'm excited to put into practice. I wish for more trainings like this. So, Ms. Tony, thank you for sharing yourself, your life, and your expertise to us. Thank you.